What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We're looking at Euro USD right now, and on the left we got Euro USD on the 3-hour chart, on the right the 15-minute time frame. So the purpose of this video, guys, is to break down a trade setup that we took during the US session and really give you a blueprint essentially to continuation trades. Continuation trade setups, guys, are about 90% of my trades that I typically take in the US session. It's just a setup that I understand the most and I feel the most comfortable with, and I've dissected this setup over the years, so I feel very comfortable taking it. I'm going to show you guys what is the blueprint to trading these continuation trades. How can I get the most out of the continuation trades, and what things do I look for entry, exits, confirmation? Let's jump right into it. Euro USD on a 3-hour chart, you can see that we're coming off a reset right here, so that means that I'm only looking for sell setups. Now, if we go to the 15-minute time frame, you can see obviously that we had this huge move down, and essentially what I'm looking for is this right here, this pullback. This pullback that happens every single time when this setup appears. It happens starting at the very end of the London session going into the US session. The most effective continuation trade setups that I have found have always been when you get some sort of a setup in London, and obviously it just continues the move from London into New York session. If we look at London session here, we had basically a type 3 go down, a type 3 pattern go down, and then came back up for the retracement. The retracement started at the end of the London session here. You can see it came right back up. Very importantly, the timing of it, because you could see here when it's peaking out, okay, that retracement, it's right at 9:30, 9:45-ish time. So basically the setup, the most successful setups for continuation trades happen before 10:30. So very important as well is that you can see obviously that we're going with the directional bias. So we're coming off a reset, so we're looking for sells. So this only helps the confirmations that I'm looking for. Now, real quickly here, as far as confirmations for entry. So what are we looking for? So I'm looking for price action to retrace and give me some kind of reaction at either one of the EMAs, either the 200 or the 50. In this case, we actually got a couple of different things. We actually got a pin to the middle of the Asian range, which also pinned the 200 EMA. Okay, so these pins right here that we see are just market makers grabbing orders. You have to understand that at one time, this candle here was completely blue, pushing forward. And then ultimately, it started to die down and it ended as basically a doji. All right. And then we ended up getting the next candle, again, pushing higher at the very beginning and then closing much lower. And most importantly, closing below this blue candle here. This 3-candle pattern right here is a star pattern for me. Okay, the things that I care about the most is this. This candle right here closed below this blue candle. That helps me confirm, okay, that this is a really good star pattern, because we can start to put different confirmations together. We can start to put the fact that it pinned to the 200 EMA, it pinned to the middle of the range. You had a very good pullback, all right, from the end of London into the beginning of the US session. We ended up getting the star pattern, and then what's the entry? Very simple. The entry is on the next candle. This blue candle, okay, is the entry candle. All right, and so what I look for on this candle is a pullback so I can get a better entry. So for me, the entry was 106.514, okay, on this pullback candle. The stop loss obviously goes above the wick. All right, it's a 10.2 pip stop loss. All right, and then for me, all I'm doing is trying to get 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I basically just used the structure from London to get me a 2.5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. This trade was literally over in about 30 to 45 minutes, and I was done and out of the trade. So the things, guys, have to line up for me in order to take a trade. Take this as a case study as to what you should be looking for if you're looking for continuation trades. All right, these are all things that I look for continuation trades. I'm just showing you what happened with mine that I actually took this morning during the US session so you can learn from it. I hope this brought you some value. If you like this type of content, if you like me breaking down trade setups and why I took them, entry and exit strategies, please let me know in the comments below, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We will see you in the next one. Guys, if you need any more help or you like the content that we provide on this channel, come on over to the FXN Masterclass. It's available right now. What you get essentially is a lifetime membership, a full mentoring course, an advanced course. You get the Blue Summit videos, weekly Q&A sessions every Sunday, group session archives, which that by alone has about 100 hours of content, weekly analysis videos, midweek analysis videos, MT4 and MT5 indicators, a customized trading journal so you could actually journal your trades every day, and then a backtesting journal that you can use to backtest and collect all of your data. Not to mention a mentoring private chat, guys. So all the information is in the link in the description if you want to join now. We look forward to seeing you there, guys.